let's do a no makeup look. Hi friend, it's Stace, so welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here today. So today I'm going to show you my go-to no makeup look. Sometimes when I have a breakout on my face, or if I just feel like I've been wearing a lot of makeup and I want to give my face a little bit of a rest, my skin, I sometimes do this, and quite often I get asked, oh my goodness, what did you do? So I want to share with you because it's something so simple, but it's super helpful. So right now, all I've done this far, with my hair behind my ears, is I have done my morning routine, cleansed my face, toned, serum, moisturizer. One little thing talking about skincare is make sure that you leave enough time between your different layers that you're putting on for it to actually seep into your face. Because sometimes what happens is, for example, if we put serum on and we don't wait for it to draw in, we kind of just rub it off or mix it with our moisturizer, and that isn't going to give you the benefits of why you purchased that specific serum anyway. So little tip, just wait a little bit for it to draw into your skin before you go onto your next layer of whatever your skincare is. Okay, so typically I don't normally use skincare that has SPF in it. I normally put that on as an additional layer, but now when I do a look like this, I just do a 2-for-1. It's a CC cream or a BB cream, either one that you like, that has SPF in it. Because what this look that I'm trying to achieve is, I just want to still look fresh faced. I still want to have my blemishes kind of covered a little bit, just not so much covered, concealed, but I do want my complexion to look a little bit smoother. So I typically, especially this winter, I used the Supergoop CC cream. It's got a 50 SPF. I really like this one because it gives you a lot of coverage, and it's really good for your skin in the sense of it's a mineral cream. There's no weird things added to it. It's doesn't have sulfates in it. There's no fragrance. It's reef safe, like all the things. This one is really nice. I really like this one. I started using this BB cream, the Maybelline Dream BB cream, because I needed a darker shade, and I didn't want to just go and buy another one. Honestly, it was just a lack of planning on my part. So I was at the shop and I just grabbed this one, and I've been super surprised by it. It is quite hydrating, which is nice. It does also like blur any of the weird little breakouts that I have. So I've been really happy with this one. So if you need suggestions, I'll link these two below. This one I'm using it's 120 medium sheer tint. And why I like these too is that you're getting SPF, but it's kind of benefiting you a little bit more just because you can just apply it as though you would apply your moisturizer. You don't have to layer it. You don't have to think about it as a foundation at all. And the nice thing about these two is that because they don't have any silicone, not sulfate, I'm sorry, I said sulfate earlier, it's silicone. They don't have any silicone in them, so they work great as primers for cream makeup. So if you know me, I love Saint. It's all cream makeup. If you use any primer or anything like sunscreen that you want to use as a primer, and it has silicone in it, your cream makeup isn't going to stick. It is going to run off. It's going to move. It's going to collect in all your fine lines and wrinkles. So that's just something to be mindful of when you are choosing what you want to put onto your face. Also, it's not really good for your face or in your skin in general, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, so I've just put on the BB cream, that is SPF. It doesn't have a high coverage, but it has kind of blended my face a little bit. Now with spring coming and tanning, I'm not sure if you are like me. I like to fake it till I make it with my fake tan. Sometimes your face isn't going to match the rest of your body. So that's when you can use your bronzers. There's so many options, and you can like warm up parts of your face. You can also use your concealer or your highlights to kind of cover anything that is bothering you. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that because I just want to show you my quick go-to how I get stuff done on a crazy day when I don't want to wear makeup. But just in case you wanted to add more warmth to your face, definitely you can put your bronzer on top. You can really build up what you like. Maybe like me, I have dark rings under my eyes. Maybe you can use a color corrector or your highlight to just conceal that a little bit more. If it's not bugging you and you want your skin to rest, I won't recommend adding extra to it, but it definitely is an option if that's what you're looking for. So when you do your face in general, you always want to make sure that you pay attention to your brows just a little bit. You don't have to go overboard, and you don't have to put a lot of product on, or any product if you have luscious thick brows. But your brows shape your face, so they are an important part of your makeup routine. I know a lot of people think, oh, I just have to make sure my skin is looking great and flawless, and they do their eyeshadows, they do all the things except their brows. Please do your brows. Your brows are so important. They really do play a big role in shaping your whole face. So when I'm busy and when I want to do a look like this, I honestly have two ways that I like to do it, and it just depends on the day and what I feel like. And you'll find your rhythm and what works for you. But you can brush your brows just to kind of get them back in line. Make sure that they're looking good. You can use brow wax if you want to. You don't have to, especially if you want to keep things on the light end. Today I'm going to show you, because I'm out of my powder, but I'm going to use what I picked up from my waxer at European Wax Center. They have a dual color set. And then I also love this Thrive Cosmetics, what is it called? Waterproof eyebrow liner. So on the one end of this, it's got the little brow brush, and on the other end, it's a pencil. So I normally use the two together. If I'm trying to be really fast, I'll just use the pencil, not put the powder on. But let me just show you so that you get an idea of what it would look like. So we're not going too crazy. I'm literally just going to go, excuse me, I'm going to look down. I'm going to go on the front and just kind of color in a little bit of where there are gaps. And then I'm not doing a full brow, so I'm not going to color my entire brow, but I like to kind of outline it a little bit, just so that it already looks thicker and fuller. I'm going to do the same on the other one. Fill in the little gaps. If you want to see a full brow tutorial, please let me know and I'll gladly show you. There are so many ways that you can do your brows or shape them to match a certain way you'd like to do them, but honestly you need to figure out what is right for your face. So if you have questions, please send me an email, let me know. I'll gladly help you. It's been a struggle for me because I feel like my brows No one's brows are twins, okay? They're siblings, they're not twins. But once you kind of figure out what works for you, you feel more confident and more beautiful. So I could technically leave my brows just as they are, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you what I do next. So now this little brush is so cute. I just wanna show you. I'm gonna take the darker color and I'm gonna put it on the brush, and the end of the one end, I'm gonna put it downward facing, and I'm just going to brush up into my brow, and this really fills in all of the gaps. Let me finish this, then you can see the comparison between the two brows. So you see how full this brow looks and how sparse that one looks. So depending on what look you're going for, you can really choose how you want to fill it in. So let me do the same with the other side. We're just brushing this up into the little spaces and out, and then down this side just to fill this in nicely. Okay, and then something I like to do is I go in and I brush them again. And honestly, this is your choice. Everything is your choice, guys. Remember that you're beautiful first and foremost. No matter what, you are beautiful. Makeup is just there to enhance the beauty that already exists. So please don't ever think that you have to wear makeup. You wear makeup because you want to, because you wear it for yourself, because it makes you feel good. You don't need to wear makeup for anyone else. It's all about you. Okay. So now my eyebrows are done. My BB cream is on. The other thing that I really love that Saint offers or has on offer is this balm. Let me put it like this. You can see it's just a translucent balm. You can't really even see it shining, but I'll show you in a second. I love putting this balm just on my cheeks and on my lips. One, it's super nourishing, which is awesome. And two, it just gives you a little bit more of a glow. And glowing skin is healthy skin. So that's what we want. Just gonna use a big fluffy brush. You can also apply this with your finger, and I'm just going to put it on the apples of my cheek and keep moving it up. This is really like, it gives you that summer kissed glowing look. You see? I just love it. I also always put it on my lips. If you don't feel like putting a color on, this is a great, it's good for your lips, number one. But number two, it's also just a little bit of a gloss. And then I'm typically good to go. But what I have been doing is, because I used to have lash extensions, and I found that I'm allergic to the glue of the extensions, especially the black one that they use. So I went to a different salon, and they used, it looks white, but then it goes see-through once it dries. And that one was better, but I have a lot of allergies and issues with my eyes in general, so I just opted to not do that anymore. But what I did find is, and it's probably because I have a reaction to it, when they removed the lashes, not only were my eyes swollen, but my actual lashes were super short. So I've been working really hard on getting my lashes back to where they used to be. I've always been super lucky with long lashes, but I've been using Hello Skincare's eyelash serum, and that has been amazing. I'll link that below. Also, everybody needs that. Who doesn't want longer lashes? But because my lashes are so brittle, I've been using Vaseline to coat them when I don't wear mascara. Only because it's not that Vaseline doesn't make your lashes grow. They just, when you coat your lashes, it kind of holds in the moisture and it prevents breakage. So I typically just open my Vaseline. I will put a little bit on my hand. And I've seen people do this with Aquaphor too, or Aquaphor, probably saying it wrong, you can just roll it onto the spoolie. And with the Aquaphor, people are having like really great, their lashes look so good. I don't use it to look like I have mascara on. I simply just use it because I'm trying to get my lashes to be healthy again. But you just apply it onto your lashes just like you would apply, let me just get a little bit more here, just like how you would apply your mascara. You just apply this to your lashes and it just helps them. Help your little lashes out. I love this. I always feel so pretty. And it's a great reminder, especially if you're like me who's on a self-love journey. Feeling beautiful is a very important part of that, and getting to love yourself no matter which stage you're in is truly, it's really important. So I like to do that. Definitely not looking like I'm wearing a lot of makeup, but my cheeks are glowing, my eyebrows are done. If you add a lip color or a lip gloss, it might even look better. So try it out, see how you feel. Try the Vaseline or the Aquaphor. They're good for your lashes to make sure that they don't break. I know some people use eyelash curlers before they put it on. Because my lashes are so brittle, I don't want to use that, but try it because it really does curl your lashes up a little bit more, and so you will see your lashes better or easier. Also, I have permanent eyeliner, so you can't really see my lashes, but let me turn to the side. You can see that they're growing back a little bit. So I'm really happy about that, but yeah. So there you have it, my no makeup look. I always get asked when I do my face like this, oh my goodness, you're so glowing. What makeup do you use? Honestly, it's BB cream and Saint's balm. That's all it is. And I know Saint just came out with a whole, like a bigger one. So it's really exciting because I go through mine pretty fast. I'll link all of that below for you. If you have any questions and if you enjoyed this, be sure to let me know. Please comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you do like this kind of content, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know when my next video is up. But I hope you have a beautiful glowing day and I'll see you again soon. Bye.